What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the three-team giveaway for group break number 42. And guys, the top two will win. First spot will get 25 group break credit. Second spot will get a Josh Morrissey Cup RPA. Okay, so I'm going to do just one timestamp. I'm not going to do all three. Just one. It's 8:41. I guess I don't even have the time pulled up. Just turned 8:42. Alright, guys. So I got the list in here. We got Adam, Kyle, Jason, Sean, Daniel, and Samich. Top two are going to win. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Adam, $25. Kyle, you get the Morrissey. Congrats, guys.